Welcome to the Emerging Technologies Building, or ETB. It is home to the diverse students in Industrial and Systems Engineering. The Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering has been ranked in the top 10 departments in the United States for the past 10 years. Built in 2011, ETB is among the most recently built engineering buildings and boasts some of the best computer labs in the College of Engineering. It has both public and private study rooms and some of the most comfortable chairs on campus. When you're deciding on which major to pursue, just remember one thing about industrial engineering: opportunity. No other engineering department can provide you with as many options for future employment as industrial engineering. Each semester, the department hosts a private career fair. Recruiters are there specifically to hire industrial and systems engineers. Companies include Lockheed Martin, one of the leaders in the aerospace and defense industry. Walmart provides job opportunities in the subfield of logistics engineering. Texas Instruments, or TI, is the producer of the calculators many of us use today. Forum is a software consulting company looking for graduates interested in computer programming. And last but not least, AT&T. The Institute of Industrial Engineers, or IIE, is an industrial and systems engineer organization. Each semester, IIE takes students to visit factories such as the Toyota plant in San Antonio, the Mars Candy Factory in Waco, or even the Bluebell Ice Cream Factory in Brenham, Texas. IIE is also responsible for introducing industrial and systems engineers to recruiters at their weekly speaker meetings. One of the many companies you could be introduced to is Bechtel, a leader in the oil, gas, and power industry. Whether you're a prospective student seeking a distinguished career path or a current student looking to advance your credentials, Industrial and Systems Engineering is the best major for you.
Industrial engineering was a natural fit for me whenever I made the decision to attend Texas A&M. Like a lot of Aggies just starting out, I looked at all the colleges or all the departments in engineering. I knew I was good at process improvement, I knew I was very analytical, but the thing that made the difference for me was the focus on people and on personal connections and taking the process improvement opportunities and the analytical needs that industrial engineers have and turning that into a way to lead an organization. So I wanted to be an engineer, but I also wanted to stay connected to people, and that's why industrial and systems engineering was so important to me at Texas A&M.
So what does industrial engineering have to offer you at A&M that other engineering disciplines don't? This is a great question. IE here at A&M is by far the most diverse engineering degree that you're going to have. It has anything from statistics to Six Sigma quality control to facility design and even management classes. So I think that's the huge advantage with industrial engineering here at A&M, because you're going to get all sorts of exposure to different types of classes, different types of knowledge bases that you won't have in other engineering disciplines. And that's definitely going to benefit you in the long run in your future career. And when you're looking for those promotions, that extra communication and those extra skills are really, really going to benefit you.
It's a great time to be an industrial engineer. The curriculum in industrial engineering, with its focus on analytical skills and process improvement, it provides the basic framework that an engineer needs to be successful today in whatever area that they choose to work in. The market right now needs technical people, needs analytical people that can also communicate, and that's the differentiator that industrial and systems engineers, especially from Texas A&M, that's what we bring whenever we're looking for new hires in our organization. We want people with that combination of analytical skills as well as the people skills, being able to connect and communicate and influence. That's why being an Aggie engineer, industrial engineer, is so important.
So I chose to be an industrial engineer because it's a very unique field. It kind of bridges the gap between engineering as well as business and all sorts of different forms of even mathematics, and so it really bridges the gap between a lot of different disciplines, and it requires you to be very multi-talented as well as just requires you to have all sorts of different skills, anything from people skills to managing someone in a warehouse to designing a facility. So it's a really unique field. It's growing rapidly right now, and I'm really excited to have the opportunity to be in the industrial engineering department here at Texas A&M.